Yo, what's up, guys? Artbox just sent me this. If you know what this is. Artbox says there was only 150 in this world, and what's this called? And these things you put inside a mechanical pencil. And the reason I'm wearing a helmet is because I didn't do a face review yet. I'll do it at 100k subs. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay. And because there's only 150 in this world, first I'm gonna take these things out. And okay, lost it. Wait, actually, let me do something real quick. Okay, so now this pencil's looks like this. Okay, it's based on instructions. It says you don't even have to press this, and oh my, what? But this is an eraser. What? Get a close look. Does it even look like an eraser? Okay, let's see. Oh my god, what? Okay, let's see what this is. Oh my god, why is it so hard to take off the tape? Okay, let's see how we're supposed to take this out. Ooh. This is so thin. What? I think that's just... I'm pretty sure this is too thin. Let's see if you can take this out. Eraser. Oh my god, what? The eraser is this big? Okay. I think I'm supposed to slide in here. Put this back. Oh, okay. Okay, so close this. Okay, now please like because it cost me $400. Bye.